Izakhamuzi zifuna bakuleli ngokungemthetho baphume baphele kulelizwe njengoba kungelulu ukuba batholakale uma benza ubugebengu.
We want to send a message to all the undocumented migrants that it's time for them to leave South Africa as soon as possible, because we are experiencing a very high rate of crime here in Daveyton, whereby there's a lot of hijackings, there's a lot of human trafficking. When you start to check that case, or when you start to follow that case, you find out that it's an illegal migrant that is being reported on that case.
Imeya yomkhandlu dolobha wasekuruleni ithi bami nezakhamuzi ekuvalweni kwezitolo ezisebenza ngokungemthetho kanti kukhona ababoshiwe.
Just in Vosloorus alone, 36 shops that we've actually closed. The spaza shop, we made about 9 arrests of people who are not illegally permitted. We did a lot of about 30 or so arrests when we did the Palm Ridge. So there is, of course, supported by immigration, supported by SAPS, our own EMPD teams.
Baphinde bavakashela nesitolo sikasomabhizinisi uMazwi Kubheka okubikwa ukuthi wayethunjwe abakuleli ngokungemthetho kepha wagcina itholakele ngenyanga yedlule.
We also visited a shop owned by the young man Mazwi. We did not know that it's actually owned by him because and we committed certain intervention. We should be able to give you a full report probably on Wednesday when we do the other operation.
Uqhakaza uxwayise bonke abaqhuba amabhizinisi angeke emthethweni ukuthi bawavala unomphelo njengoba bezogasela ezindaweni eziningi kungazelele umuntu.